Astronomers may have found a new type of object in the Orion Nebula, which is a famous stellar nursery. What if I told you the James Webb Space Telescope just found something in space that shouldn't exist? And not just one or two, but multiple structures like that. 6 massive galaxies were recently discovered by NASA using data from the James Webb Space Telescope. Scientists are confused because they might need to rewrite the textbooks. Let's take a look at what they have discovered. First, massive ancient galaxies. In an otherwise ordinary background, 6 bright red spots of light were discovered by the James Webb Telescope. These are not ordinary spots. They are some of the earliest and largest galaxies ever found, dating back up to 13.3 billion years. These 6 spots were so red that they must have formed just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. Scientists previously believed these structures couldn't even have formed back then. Experts thought it took a lot longer for the first stars and galaxies to form, but these ancient galaxies were already massive and bustling with star formation just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. One of these universe-breaker galaxies is 1 trillion times more massive than our Sun and 10 times the size of the Milky Way. This discovery has somewhat disturbed everyone because it suggests the universe didn't begin like we thought it did. Second, new finds in exoplanet molecules. Astronomers have been obsessed with finding an exoplanet, and among many candidates, there's K2-18b. Why? Because they found water vapor in its atmosphere and, quite recent, James Webb found carbon-bearing molecules like methane and carbon dioxide. This suggests K2-18b may have a hydrogen-rich atmosphere and a water ocean, perfect conditions for life. There was even detection of the compound dimethyl sulfide, which on Earth is produced by living organisms. Third, origins of the cosmic web. Astronomers using NASA's James Webb Space Telescope spotted 10 galaxies arranged like a string just 830 million years after the Big Bang. This structure, about 3 million light-years long, is anchored by a super-bright quasar, a galaxy with a giant black hole at its center. This line of galaxies might grow into a huge cluster, like the Coma cluster we know in our neighborhood in the universe. Fourth, early supermassive black holes. Black holes grow by consuming passing stars and clouds of gas and dust. Thanks to James Webb, scientists have captured supermassive black holes working in the early universe, even when they haven't had much time to feast on their surroundings. One such black hole, in a galaxy called UHD-1, is 13.2 billion light-years from Earth, meaning we're watching it as it existed just 470 million years after the Big Bang. This black hole has an estimated mass between 10 million and 100 million times that of the Sun, comparable to the total mass of all the stars in its host galaxy. Fifth, the Horsehead Nebula. Known as Barnard 33, it's about 1,300 light-years away. Thanks to the James Webb Telescope, astronomers have been able to see the small-scale structures of the illuminated edge of the Horsehead for the first. It formed from a collapsing interstellar cloud and gets its glow from being illuminated by a nearby hot star. The gas clouds around the Horsehead have mostly dispersed, but the iconic pillar shape is made of dense material that's hanging tough. Astronomers suspect the Horsehead has around 5 million years left before it starts to fade away. These are just a few examples of the amazing discoveries made by the James Webb Space Telescope. Each one challenges our understanding of the universe and opens up new possibilities for future discoveries. What do you think the next big discovery will be? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this summary, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell so you never miss an update on the latest cosmic revelations. See you next time.